Are you missing the Microsoft SOAP30 Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist, and I'll help you fix this system error right now. To kick off the Microsoft SOAP30 library walkthrough, I've linked a professional resource to help maintain system-level configuration. This is the Microsoft SOAP30 library, the Microsoft SOAP Simple Object Access Protocol Toolkit library. It provides the legacy infrastructure for XML-based web service communication. While deprecated, it is still a mandatory dependency for thousands of localized business tools and legacy database synchronization scripts. Without it, the software will report SOAP initialization failed. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. This problem affects a core Windows DLL. Start command prompt with administrator rights and run sfc/scan now so Windows can verify and restore system files such as Microsoft SOAP30 library. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Microsoft SOAP30 library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. If the restart didn't help the program find the file, we need to manually register the DLL pointer in the registry. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rely on a pointer in the registry. If the program can't find that pointer, it doesn't matter if the file exists, it won't load. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. Installing an unverified version of Microsoft SOAP30 library DLL is a common security pitfall that can inadvertently bypass your system's built-in execution safeguards and firewall. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. If responsiveness issues occur, the system resource below references configuration considerations for Microsoft SOAP30 library. I'm Sophie Chen. If this guide resolved the DLL error preventing Microsoft SOAP30 library from launching, please subscribe for more verified engineering fixes.